Okay, so I'll be showing y'all how I thread my sewing machine, but first I'm gonna talk about the sewing machines that I've had so far. This is my first one. This is a Singer heavy duty. I think it's 44S. I want to say it's 44S. And like this was my first one that I got in 2020. And you can see it's like still stuff on it. Yeah, this was my first one and I just loved it. It was perfect. But I think like the timing or something went off or something. I don't remember exactly what it was. But yeah, it looks the same as the other one. This one. But this is the 4452. This is the second one. This is the one who made a lot of different dresses for a lot of different people. But I don't know, it just doesn't seem official. But it does the job. It does the job. But I really like the Singer heavy duty more than this fashion made. I mean, but it's pretty. And I think this is more beginner friendly than the heavy duty. But that's just my opinion. And now we're here right now. I got this, I want to say sometime last year in 2022. But I'm now just opening it. And it's 2023. August 2023. We'll see how this one is. And I think this is going to be my favorite. Trying to freaking figure out the difference between the Singer Heavy Duty 44S and the Singer Heavy Duty 4452. Looks like this one is going to be a lot better since it has black, blue, and red. This one, it only has the black and blue. But literally, everything else looks the same. Let's look at the top settings. And again, these look the same. Like, I don't know. Maybe I'm overlooking something, but we shall see. Okay, first things first. When you first get a sewing machine, you have to thread the bobbin. And that's just putting thread in the bobbin. And you'll place the bobbin right under there, well, beneath here. Because you need thread up here at the top. And you need thread down here, but clearly you cannot put this whole thing under here, so you have to thread the bobbin and place the bobbin under here. So let's start the process. We're going to remove this, place it here, and we're going to put our thread right there and place it here. Now we're just going to follow the onesies and twosies. Let me get a little closer. Hold up. For most sewing machines, it's usually the same process. So this is one right here. Go through one. And then for the bobbin, to thread the bobbin, you're going to loop this around. That's it. Once you're done with that, you're going to get the bobbin. Then you're going to place... Okay. Then you're going to place this thread in it. And you're gonna put it right there. And you're gonna click it to the right. Now we're gonna get ready to pedal this. You're just gonna pedal. Once it get like really short. Did I lose it? Okay, once it gets, oh my gosh. Once it get a little short, then you wanna just cut it. But I think I lost it, so whatever. I'm gonna keep going until it gets to however full. Okay, that should be good enough. They're gonna take it out and cut it. And I always go back to the right, because if I accidentally hit the pedal, it's just gonna spin. But if I hit it this way and I hit the pedal, the needle's gonna go up and down. So I always hit it to the right. Now we're about to place the bobbin down here. You're gonna make sure it's a P. Make sure it's like a P, and then place it in there. And you want to follow the little silver thing. You go around. Hold on, let me zoom in. Okay, so place it like a P. Then we're gonna place it down, and you can hold it with one finger. It's still not. Then you wanna go through this little hoop, and then just leave it right there. Leave it right there, and we're gonna thread the upper part next. We're about to thread the upper part, and it usually, well, They have numbers everywhere. Let's make sure this is up before we get started. So, hold up. Okay, so let's do this again. This is 1, and then 2 is through this little hook, and then 3 is just going down. 4 is the little loop going up. 5 is the loop going down around here. This is 6. We're just gonna go around this, and then the next one. And then the last step is just putting the thread through the needle. I don't know how to use the freaking needle threader, so I just stick it in there and then pull, and then place it under the plate. Now we're gonna turn it. Look and grab this thread, and it's grabbing it. And now let's slide it. Now it's ready. It's ready to sew. So let's try to sew something. Well, let me first change my settings, then we can test it out. So I'm gonna place this down, turn this to the left, and let's just stitch. And this is the stitch. Looks a little crooked, but it's fine. And that's it.